Alright guys, so we have a problem that has to do with instantaneous acceleration. So let's provide a solution to it. It goes this way. The velocity of a rocket in a time t is given as v is equal to 30 plus 3t squared. Find the instantaneous acceleration at time 9 seconds. At time 9 seconds. Solution. Now remember, anything that has to do with instant is to either calculate the velocity or the speed at a specific time of that journey. Okay, so it occurs majorly in our car, in your spaceships and whatsoever. You can calculate the instantaneous time, the instantaneous speed, the instantaneous velocity. Okay, and the instantaneous acceleration. So for us to solve this, the instantaneous acceleration A is simply the differentiation d, v, change in velocity with the given time interval dt. Okay, so we are told that v is equal to 30 plus 3t squared. And we are given t to be 9 seconds. So we need to do justice to this. We need to differentiate this with respect to this. So this becomes d into bracket 30 plus 3t squared over the t. Now, when you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So our we will have this a will simply become 0. Now when you differentiate 3t squared, 2 times 3 is what? 9. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So we are left with 9t. That's raised to power 1, which we don't normally write. So remember that t is 9 seconds. So where there is t, we'll replace it with 9. Therefore, a will become 9 times 9. And what is 9 times 9? 81. The SI unit for acceleration is meter per second square. So therefore, the velocity of a rocket in a time t is given as this. This is the velocity. So the instantaneous acceleration at 9 seconds is 81 meter per second square. Please like, share, and invite others. See you on the next one. Bye.